But we also have this hand tool over here, which is choosable, and you can click and drag. And as you see, this will basically do the work for you, and it will allow you to navigate through your project. But there's a very, very important point about these two tools. As you saw, we have zoom and we have hand, and you saw how we can use them both to navigate. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.